Hey everybody, Jem Schofield here, and today I'm going to teach you how to build the TheC47 Book Light Kit. So the Book Light Kit comes with 4 modifier fabrics. The first one is unbleached muslin black, so that serves 2 jobs. The second one is a 3/4 stop diffusion. The third one is a half grid cloth diffusion. And the fourth one is silver white, so that also does 2 different jobs for bouncing light. In terms of the hardware, the components that are part of the Book Light Kit, it's really easy to remember because almost everything comes in multiples of 8. So we have 8 34-inch tubes, 8 22-inch tubes, 8 corner connectors, 8 straight connectors, and then the only thing that's not in the multiple of 8 are the 2 swing hinges. What I want to do right now is show you how to build this. It's very, very simple. So let's go ahead and build the Book Light Kit. Okay, so we're building 2 frames here. So what I've done is I've taken 4 of the 34-inch and 4 of the 22-inch tubes and put them on one side and then the other set on the other side. Swing hinge, top and bottom. You don't have to lay it out exactly like this, but this is just a way that I like to start. And then I'm going to go ahead and start to put these together. So let me go ahead and do that. First thing is making sure that these 3/8-inch taps are facing outwards like this so that your Velcro is facing up. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and do the same thing on the opposite side. So I'm just going to roughly lay these out. And then the 34-inch tubes. It's going to be 2 on each side. So obviously this is going to have to extend in terms of length here. So I'm just going to lay these out. And I just like to rough it out without any of the connectors first. And I'm just going to go ahead and build out just roughly the first frame. So there you go. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing over here. Now I can actually start to connect some of these together using the corner and the straight connectors. So I'm going to do the outsides first. Pop those in, make sure they click into place. That's done. Now we're going to leave those corners there for the swing hinge. You're going to find out that you're going to have 2 extra corner connectors for each one of these frames. These are if you want to build these frames out separately without making a Book Light Kit. So I'm going to go ahead and take these extra 4 corner connectors and just put them to the side. I want to use them later on. So we have the 2 basic frames ready now, and as I've mentioned before, save the swing hinges for last. And what I like to do is first connect the tops and bottoms together and then actually connect the sides. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to take the 2 frames, bring them together, connect up this part to the swing hinge, and then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to do the same exact thing. So we're just going to go ahead and connect those. And then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and connect these 2 together. And there's still enough play here to connect these 2 together. This is the last tip though. Do these at exactly the same time. So line them both up, because otherwise you won't be able to put them together. So there you go, that's attached, and you could easily just do those 2 sides and the tops instead, but this works out very, very well. And that's how you build the Book Light Kit frame. So there you have it, the TheC47 Book Light Kit. Very, very compact, the longest tubes being 34 inches long, so it's easy to take with you anywhere, and building it only takes a few minutes. Thanks for watching.